Welcome. This is the final video to fix the dvappsupport.dll not designed for launching in the system of Windows error in Premiere Pro, and I promise this will save your time. Are you trying to open Premiere Pro and suddenly this error pops up and stops your work? This problem happens because Windows loads a broken or mismatched system file, or Premiere Pro connects to an old Visual C++ or damaged installation file after an update. Many creators face this after updating Windows or installing plugins. When you search on YouTube or social media, most solutions look confusing, long, and risky, and they ask you to reinstall everything or run scary commands. On Rexist, I always keep things simple, and now I will share my secret easy trick that works for most users. Instead of reinstalling Premiere Pro, you fix the system link that causes the error by repairing the required Microsoft Visual C++ files and resetting one small Windows setting that Premiere Pro depends on. This method keeps your project safe and takes only a few minutes. I tested this fix on multiple systems, and Premiere Pro launched clean without the dvappsupport.dll error. This trick works because it restores the correct file connection that Windows needs to run Adobe apps properly. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial with exact clicks and settings, comment below and tell me you want the full guide. Subscribe to Rexist for fast and real fixes that actually work.